Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to connect TikTok Shop to your TikTok account. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our TikTok Manager website right here, which is ads.tiktok.com. And then after that, you need to log in into your account. And once you log in into your TikTok business account, you will be redirected right here on this interface. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon on the top right corner and then click user settings. After that, you will be redirected right here, and then as you can see, you will see this TikTok account which says link TikTok account. Then all you have to do is to click this one and then just put the email of your TikTok account and then click the verification code. Send the TikTok code, so I'm gonna get my code, and then after that just click confirm. And then as you can see, we have here this. All you have to do is to just click or continue with your Google account or any of your account that is connected to your TikTok, and then you will now be good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.